Did you just try to check your BECE 2026 results and see result not found? Take a deep breath. This is NASEG Learn, and I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this without losing your mind or your money. First, check your index number again. Did you add the 26 at the end? Did you use the number 0 instead of the letter O? One tiny typo will make your result disappear. Second, check your voucher. If you've used it on too many different phones, it might be locked. Try clearing your browser cache or using a private incognito window. Sometimes the website just needs a fresh start. Third, look at your internet connection. If the page didn't load fully, the result not found might just be a connection error. Switch from Wi-Fi to data and try again. If you've tried all these and it's still missing, don't panic. It could be a withheld result due to a technicality at your center. Contact your school head teacher immediately. They are the only ones who can verify the official status with WAEC. Whatever you do, do not pay anyone to find your result. If it's not on the official portal, no random person on WhatsApp can find it for you. Stay calm, stay smart. Subscribe to NASEG Learn for more placement updates, and let me know in the comments if you've fixed yours.